Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have 3 square. The total length of this 3 square is 17 unit. The length of this yellow square is 2 unit more than this blue square. And this yellow square is 5 unit more than this orange square. We have to find the total area of these 3 squares. Consider this length of this square is x unit and the length of this square is y unit and the length of this square is z unit. So this x plus this y plus this z, it will be the total length of this 3 square, which is 17 unit. So we can write x plus y plus z is equal to 17. Consider this as equation number 1. Now the length of this square is x unit, so this length, it will be x unit. So this 2 plus this x, this is the length of this yellow square, which is y. So we can write this y is equal to this x plus this 2. So we will get another equation, y is equal to x plus 2. So from this equation we will get the value of x is equal to, taking this 2 to left side, we will get y minus 2. So the value of x is equal to y minus 2. Consider this as equation number 2. And the length of this orange square is z unit. So this length, this is also z unit. So this 5 plus this z, this is the total length of this yellow square. So 5 plus z, this is same as this y. So we'll get y is equal to this z plus 5. So z plus 5. Now from this equation we will get the value of z is equal to, taking this 5 to left side, we will get y minus 5. So z is equal to y minus 5. Consider this as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of z and x in this equation 1. We will get from equation 1 x plus y plus z is equal to 17, or this x, which is y minus 2. So from equation 2 we will get y minus 2, this is x, plus this y plus z is equal to y minus 5. So substitute here, we will get y minus 5 is equal to, right side, this is 17, or this y and this y, this 3y. So we'll get 3 times y minus this negative 2 and this negative 5, this will be negative 7 is equal to, right side, this is 17, or taking this negative 7 to right side, we will get 3y is equal to 17 plus this 7, or left side, this is 3y is equal to 17 plus 7, this is 24. Now divided both sides by 3, we will get the value of y is equal to 24 divided by 3, this is 8. So the value of y is equal to 8. So the length of this yellow square is 8 unit. And substitute the value of y in equation 2, we will get the value of x. So the value of x is equal to y minus 2. This we get from equation 2. So substitute the value of y is equal to 8. We'll get 8 minus 2, which is 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. So the length of this blue square, this will be 6 unit. And from equation 3, we have z is equal to y minus 5. The value of y, which is 8, so substitute this value here, we will get the value of y is equal to 8 minus this 5 is equal to 8 minus 5, this is 3. So the value of z is equal to 3. The length of this orange square, this is 3. Now the area of this square, this is length of this square is x, so area will be x square. And the length of this square is y, so area of this square will be y square unit. And the length of this square is z, so the area of this square will be z square unit. So the total area of this 3 square will be x square plus y square plus z square square units. So total area, this will be x square plus y square plus z square. So substitute this value, x is equal to 6, so we'll get 6 square plus the value of y is equal to 8, so we'll get 8 square plus the value of z is equal to 3, so we can write 3 square is equal to 6 square, this is 36, plus 8 square, this is 64, plus 3 square, this is 9, is equal to 36 plus 64, this is 100, plus 9, this is 109, and this is the total area of this 3 square. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.